Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to share some fun and creative ways to make writing exciting for preschoolers. If you're a parent or teacher looking for ways to engage little ones in writing, keep watching. Tip number 1. Use fun writing tools. Preschoolers love anything colorful and sparkly. So let them write with glitter pens, colorful markers, or even chalk on a board or large sheets of paper. The more playful, the better. Next, let's incorporate storytelling. Start a story and let your preschooler finish it by writing a few words or phrases. It could be something as simple as, "Once upon a time, a little cat found a," and let them fill in the rest. Tip number 3. Use pictures as writing prompts. Ask your preschooler to draw something and then write a word or two about it. This way, they connect creativity with writing. Turn writing into a game. Play with alphabet magnets or play a word spotting game like I Spy. This keeps writing lighthearted and enjoyable. How about writing letters? Ask them to write a letter to their favorite character from a book or show. You can even create a little mailbox for them to send their letters. It's a great way to make writing feel more personal and fun. Don't forget to use interactive worksheets. Tracing letters or connecting dots with themes like animals or superheroes can make writing practice more exciting. Another fun way to learn? Rhyming words through songs. Sing a rhyming song and ask your preschooler to write down a few simple words from it. It's a playful way to reinforce early writing skills. Technology can also be your friend. Try writing apps designed for preschoolers where they can trace letters or learn new words. These apps are interactive and can make writing feel like playtime. And finally, make writing physical. Let them form letters with Play-Doh or trace letters in sand. These tactile experiences can be super engaging for little learners. So there you have it. Some fun, hands-on ways to get your preschoolers excited about writing. Try them out and watch how quickly they start to enjoy the process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like these.